I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our Harmony Newborn Pro presets in ACR, Adobe Camera Raw, which you can use within Photoshop. So first of all, in Photoshop, I'm going to duplicate my image onto a new layer so I'm not working on the background image in case I need it. In Photoshop, you might want to use our Photoshop Actions. These work within Photoshop. This is the Signature Newborn set. But for this tutorial, I'm showing you how you can work in Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and use our Harmony Newborn Pro presets. If you're working raw images, you open them up, you might come straight into ACR. Click Presets. If the presets are already installed in your Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, Lightroom CC, you may find they're already in ACR. If not, you can install them by clicking on the three little lines, Import Profiles Presets, and locate your downloaded LSP Harmony Newborn Presets Pro. They'll load in. You can click the drop down to see what's inside the presets. You'll see they appear in a perfect list. With titles to the left and then the action, like what the preset achieves, to the right. So for example, I've just clicked Adapt Perfect Lift. You can change the strength on these presets, make them stronger, make them calmer for your image. To watch the full tutorial, you can visit our video tutorials page.